$2. Oh my god! I just found my keys. I've been avoiding this. You know, I collect fashion, but look at this disarray. It's not giving collection, it's giving hoard. So we're gonna do 3 straightforward things. I'm gonna try on all my tops, then all my bottoms, and then we're gonna decorate. Wow, I've lost these for 2 days. Trigger warning. I'm gonna keep most of it because it's my livelihood. Oh, whoa, there's a hole in your shirt. This is another example of sunk cost. Sunk cost theory is when you keep doing something or keep something because of your previous investment in it. Like it's money or time, or you've been there for 5 years, like your ex. Spent a lot of monies on. Where am I flying to?
Only join for just $1 down.
On the floor here, I just have Givenchy lace-up sock boots, wallpaper tights. It's so hard being me. I just found a Chanel belt chain. Right, me and my Chanel chain are gonna tackle the pants today. Let's hope it takes a couple hours. First day of my senior year, I wore a bodycon heather gray skirt, and I literally asked someone, did my look fat? They said yes. The gag is that I didn't even need that validation because I posted on my Instagram. The shot was like this, it was, and the first comment was, dang, Emmy's eating that cornbread. Hello? Yeah. I knew you were gonna be curious what this looks like, and also the Chanel belt chain, because I know it's really confusing. Remember how I had all of this stuff on the floor? This is a haul. Massive bag of trash? No, you're wrong. Parisian soap and toiletry. Caudalie anti-dandruff shampoo. Because I'm not perfect, I know it's hard to tell. Bad have irritable bowel syndrome, and it is what it is. Personally, I don't use the restroom. I just let my facialist tell me to buy something for $100, and I did. Beach clubs, $2.66. 2.5 Pilot, and I was actually thinking about telling my partner to stop stealing. Turns out I just lost them. This Issey Miyake dress that I got from my mom, but we low-key beefing, and this Tank Air thing. I don't do it, but oh, I also found this dress that was on the floor that I wore for my birthday. I found this Acne Studios bag, which I actually brought home from Paris. Acne Studios jacket. I'm a huge fan of Margiela painted stuff. I kept the bag, you know why? Because I'm new money. New money is the opposite of old money, because old money is like many generations of wealth. I think it's at least 3 or something. You own estates, you shop on the road, you wear a lot of color trips. New money is like you drive a used C-Class, you wear logos, and like save your bags. That's me. My girlfriend said I can't have a chandelier, so I think I was gonna make something. I just pretended to do stuff on TikTok. I mean, what's the worst that could happen? Of men's cargo pants. Cut off his leg to make a tote bag. Oh, and I think this will be perfect. This piece of fur was $21.99. That's a lot. That's a perfect fit. I have some perfumes, which I have a place for, but I feel like I'd be happier putting it here. Oh, I feel like a genius. Yes, babes. Yes. Rings. This vintage thing that I overpaid for at the flea market. These beads that I never wear. I freaking love it. Alright, we did it! Thank you so much for watching. My battery is dying. Like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below what your favorite piece was that I showed you. You know, it's hard, right? Yeah, I'll be there in 5 minutes actually, because I know exactly where everything is. Because I'm organized, and my rings are right here, and my perfume is right here.